Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are looking at Pop! OS, the Linux distro by System 76. Is it still worth using in 2025 or is it overhyped? Let's break it down. Pop! OS is known for being clean, fast, and beginner friendly. It's great for everyday use, gaming, programming, or creative work. You get a nice modern desktop with tiling windows and it just feels smooth. System 76 also added special tools like Pop Shell and automatic window tiling that makes multitasking easier. It also has a dedicated version for NVDA GPUs, which saves you the headache of setting up drivers. But the biggest downside is updates. Purpose is still based on Ubuntu and it does not get the newest software right away, and some users say they wish it had more desktop customization options. So, is Pop! OS legit in 2025? Totally. It's stable, beginner friendly, and works right out of the box. If you want a smart, no fuss Linux distro that feels professional, Pop is a solid choice. Hit like if this helped and don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching.